Ladies and gentlemen, imagine this: just 30 minutes a day. Not a week, not a month, just half an hour every single morning could reshape the rest of your life. While most people wait for motivation, winners create it through action. What if the future you dream of isn't far away at all, but hidden inside those small daily habits you keep ignoring? Today might look ordinary, but these 30 minutes can turn ordinary into extraordinary. Stay with me, because in the next few moments, you'll realize how a tiny commitment can rebuild your entire future. Just 30 minutes a day. It sounds so small, doesn't it? Yet within those 30 minutes lies the power to shape your character, refine your actions, and rebuild your entire future. Life doesn't demand perfection from us. It simply asks for consistency. Great change rarely happens through grand gestures. It comes through little bricks of discipline stacked daily, even when no one is watching, even when it feels slow, even when the progress seems invisible. Imagine if every morning you gave yourself just half an hour to learn something new, to exercise your body, to reflect on your goals, or to build a skill. Day by day, that simple commitment becomes a habit, that habit becomes growth, and that growth becomes transformation. We often wait for motivation to strike like lightning, but motivation is created through action. You take one step, and the step itself brings energy for the next. You read a few pages today, tomorrow you read a chapter. You meditate for 10 minutes today, next month it becomes your peace. You write your goals down today, 1 year later they are achievements. Success is never built in a day, but it is always built daily. That's the magic we forget. The mind is like a garden. If you nurture it for 30 minutes every day with positivity, discipline, and learning, it will bear fruits for years. But if we leave it unattended, it grows weeds of doubt, fear, and procrastination. Those 30 minutes are your watering time, your personal investment. Don't do it for the world, do it for your future self, who will one day thank you with a proud smile. Think of where you want to be 1 year from now: healthier, more skilled, more peaceful, more successful. The distance between you and that version of you is just 30 minutes a day. Even a little improvement every day compounds into greatness. A small step forward every sunrise is better than running after months of standing still. Give yourself that promise. Wake up with intention, sit with your goals, work quietly while the world is still asleep. You'll be surprised how much your life can change when you honor those 30 minutes like a sacred ritual. Wake up with intention, sit with your goals, work quietly while the world is still asleep. You'll be surprised how much your life can change when you honor those 30 minutes like a sacred ritual. And when challenges inevitably show up, as they do for every human, these daily habits become your foundation. They remind you that progress isn't about giant leaps. It's about gentle, consistent steps. Even if some days you feel tired or uninspired, showing up for those 30 minutes is a message you send to your future. I am building you. I will not give up on you. There will be mornings when comfort calls louder than discipline. The bed feels warm, the phone feels tempting, and excuses feel sweeter than effort. In those moments, think of what you truly want. Think of the person you dream to become. Every time you choose growth over comfort, you rewrite your destiny. Every time you invest just half an hour in your dreams, you strengthen your inner muscles of resilience. No one else will walk this path for you. The world will offer distractions, but your dreams belong only to you. Protect them, nourish them, work on them quietly. Imagine using 30 minutes daily to read about great leaders, listen to inspiring talks, practice gratitude, learn a new language, or master a skill. Over a year, that's over 180 hours of self-improvement. Hours that could reshape your career, deepen your relationships, sharpen your mind, and elevate your spirit. The beauty is that you don't need to rush, you only need to begin. Progress is slow at first, like a seed beneath the soil. Nothing seems to happen, yet roots are forming, and one day that seed breaks through as a strong plant. Your habits are your roots. They build strength silently before the world sees the results. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed because we look at the entire mountain instead of the next step. But 30 minutes a day is just a step, a manageable, meaningful, powerful step. You don't climb a mountain in one breath. You climb it step by step, breath by breath. With each day, you rise higher than yesterday. With each sunrise, you sharpen your focus and polish your potential. Success is not a moment, it is a lifestyle, and this lifestyle is created through small daily rituals. Make those 30 minutes your sacred space, free from distractions, free from negativity, free from self-doubt. Use them to grow, to learn, to reflect, and to evolve. One day, you'll look back and realize how those quiet minutes, those simple choices, those small efforts rebuilt your future piece by piece, habit by habit, day after day. One day, you'll look back and realize how those quiet minutes, those simple choices, those small efforts rebuilt your future piece by piece, habit by habit, day after day. And what's even more beautiful is that those 30 minutes don't just change your schedule, they change your identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who wishes and start seeing yourself as someone who works. You stop waiting for life to happen and start shaping it consciously. Confidence grows when we keep promises to ourselves. Every day you show up, you prove to your own heart that you are capable, disciplined, and worthy of the life you desire. And that inner belief is more powerful than any external motivation. People often say they don't have time, but time was never the real problem. Priorities are. We give hours to scrolling, gossip, worry, and distraction, yet hesitate to give 30 minutes to our own growth. But the moment we realize that our future depends on what we repeatedly do today, we begin to choose differently. Just 30 minutes of reading can broaden your mind. 30 minutes of learning can open new opportunities. 30 minutes of reflection can bring clarity you've been missing for years. 30 minutes of exercise can strengthen your body and discipline your mind. When you invest these minutes every day, you're not losing time. You're gaining a better life. Some days will feel easy, some days will feel heavy. There will be moments when progress seems invisible, when you question whether it's worth it, when you feel like nothing is changing. But like a pot of water heating on the stove, the first few degrees bring no steam. The surface looks calm, still, unchanged. Yet, deep inside, energy is building. Give it time, keep adding heat, keep showing up. Eventually it boils. Your life works the same way. Small actions may not show big results instantly, but they are raising your potential silently, preparing you for that breakthrough moment. You might fail some days, miss some days, feel defeated on others. But success is not about never falling. It's about returning every time you do. If you miss one day, don't miss two. Begin again, gently, without self-judgment. You're not racing against anyone. You're growing for yourself. Progress loves patience. Greatness loves discipline. And your future loves the version of you who tries, even on your hardest days. Let those 30 minutes be your daily reminder that you are in charge of your future. The world may doubt, circumstances may test you, but those minutes become your anchor. Over time, you'll notice changes. Your thoughts become clearer, your habits become stronger, your choices become wiser. You begin to walk differently, more grounded, more focused, more purposeful. Because when we grow within, life begins to grow around us. And all of it starts with a simple commitment, just 30 minutes a day. Because when we grow within, life begins to grow around us. And all of it starts with a simple commitment, just 30 minutes a day. And as days turn into weeks and weeks into months, you begin to notice the subtle shifts. You wake up with more clarity, you speak with more confidence, and you feel more aligned with your purpose. Those 30 minutes slowly become your foundation, like brushing your teeth. It becomes natural, non-negotiable. You no longer force yourself to show up. You look forward to it. It becomes a moment of peace, a sanctuary where you reconnect with your dreams and fuel your spirit for the day ahead. There's something extraordinary about routine. It shapes character silently. A person who dedicates time to growth each day becomes someone difficult to break, because discipline builds strength from the inside. When challenges arise, you face them with presence instead of panic. You respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Why? Because every day you have been honing your awareness, sharpening your mind, strengthening your will. You begin to carry yourself not with arrogance, but with inner assurance. You know you are working on yourself. You know you are moving forward, even if the pace is gentle. Sometimes people around you won't notice your small habits. They won't see you reading late at night or practicing early in the morning. They won't see the effort behind your growth. But one day they will see the results, and they will call you lucky. Yet deep inside you will know it wasn't luck. It was 30 minutes a day. It was commitment when you could have chosen comfort. It was progress when no one was watching. It was belief in yourself when results were still invisible. Do not wait for the perfect day, perfect mood, perfect environment. Start where you are with whatever you have. Transformations begin in humble places, with a notebook, a jog, a podcast, a prayer, a page, a skill. The world celebrates outcomes, but the wise celebrate efforts. Reward yourself for showing up. Celebrate small wins. Every page completed, every mile walked, every goal reviewed, every distraction resisted, that is a victory. A future built through patience is far stronger than one built through rush. Many dream of success, but few commit to the daily effort success demands. If you are willing to give yourself 30 minutes today, you are already ahead of who you were yesterday. And that's what growth really is, not competition with others, but evolution of self. Start small, but stay consistent. Even if progress feels slow, don't stop. A seed doesn't sprout the moment you plant it, but with water, sunlight, and time, it grows into a tree that gives shade, fruit, and beauty. You are planting seeds within yourself every single day, and with every 30-minute investment, you are watering them, nurturing a future that is waiting to bloom.